Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on competency based question and answer from chapter 12. Dear students, take your textbook. Open page number 81 and follow the class with your textbook and your copy. So dear students, let's start for our today's topic. This is the lecture number 21 and you will get homework number 20 and we will discuss from question number 8 because we will give the previous one in our previous classes. The question is, climate change caused global warming. What is global warming? Write down 3 activities to be done to prevent climate change. Answer of the question is, due to increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, Earth's temperature increases. Average increase of Earth's temperature is called global warming. 3 activities to be done to prevent climate change are: first one, to use renewable energy such as solar energy and lessen the use of coal, petroleum and natural gas. Second one, to use electricity, gas etc. as less as possible. And third one, to plant more trees. Question number 9 is, by reading newspaper you have come to know that the average temperature of Earth is increasing gradually. What is this increase of temperature called? Write down 4 sentences about its impact on environment. The answer of the question is, the gradual increase of average temperature of the Earth is called global warming. The impacts of global warming on environment are: first one, various components of weather are changing. Second one, pattern of rainfall is changing. Third one, the climate of the earth is also changing gradually due to global warming. And fourth one, carbon dioxide is increasing in the atmospheres. Now, we will discuss about question 10 and the answer. You can see the various fossil fuels are burning in mills and factories. Now, write down some names of fossil fuel. While gas is emitted due to burning these fuels, what impacts this gas have on environment? The answer is, some fossil fuels that are burned in the mills and factories are: first one coal, second one oil and third one natural gas. Due to burning this fossil fuel, carbon dioxide gas is emitted. By increasing the average temperature of Earth, this carbon dioxide gas is causing global warming. As a result, ice cap of polar region and melting down and so sea level is rising. Now, we will discuss question number 11 now. Bangladesh is one of the most disaster prone countries in the world. What problems Bangladesh may face due to climate change? Write 5 sentences. The answer is, the increase of Earth's temperature resulting rising of sea level of the Earth due to the melting of ice in the mountain peaks and polar areas. The scientists predict that is the way of temperature and sea water increases at the present rate, the coastal area of Bangladesh will be underwater in near future. The salt water of the sea will enter into the rivers. Besides, natural disasters like floods, cyclone and tidal surge will be more frequent in the coastal areas. So, we can see Bangladesh will face various natural disasters due to climate change. Now, come to the next question, the question number 12. What steps should you take to mitigate climate change? Write in 5 sentences. The answer is, to mitigate climate change, we should take following steps. The first step is, we should decreases the use of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas. Second one is we should increases the use of renewable energy sources such as sunlight, wind, water. Third one, we should reduce carbon dioxide in atmosphere by planting trees. Now fourth one, we should reduce energy consumption in our daily life to reduce carbon dioxide emission. And last one, we should take necessary steps to reduce emission of gas from vehicle. Dear student, that will be carbon dioxide, CO2. Now come to our next question. Next question is what is greenhouse? Write 2 strategies to face the effects of climate change. What steps should be taken to reduce the risk of natural disaster due to caused by climate change in your community? Write 3 sentences about it. Now come to the answer of this question, and this is the last question for today. In cold countries, green vegetables are grown in glass or plastic covered house, which is known as greenhouse. 2 strategies to face the effects of climate change are: first one, to use solar energy and wind energy to place of using natural gas, coal and oil, so that less amount of carbon dioxide gas is produced and exists in the atmosphere. Second one, to grow more and more forests, planting green trees so that they can use up more and more carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere for producing their food. The following steps should be taken to reduce the risk of natural disasters caused due to the climate change. First one, to collect and store dry food before flooding and to take housing in the cyclone shelter with the alarming weather condition. Second one, the farmers of lowland areas should create floating garden using husk aquatic weeds by using layer of soil for producing various crops like beans, squash, lady's finger, tomato, etc. And last one is the salt tolerant crops variety should be invented and introduced in the coastal areas where soil is getting salinity due to the climatic disaster. Now this is your homework number 20. You have to do as your homework CBQ 9 and 10's answer. Dear students, you have to write only answer of CBQ number 9 and 10. You have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer whatever we have provided on the online class. This is so much important for you for your annual term. Do the SW regularly, submit it regularly, because you will get your CT diary and SBM mark on the basis on your performance of SW. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.